this is Andrea here, and we are getting a haul today. So we went to Hobby Lobby and Savers and the Dollar Tree, although I really don't have anything to show for the Dollar Tree. But the Hobby Lobby was perfect because it had almost everything you can imagine on sale. So, except for this E6000. This is $3.99 for this big tube. Alrighty. This one is called the Gilded Age Timeless. And it was $1.25. And it's just one long piece here, which I think would be beautiful on a mini album. Then we got this pad of paper. This is 4.5 by 6.5. And let's just see. We'll just open this one up. Usually it's not that tough. And I think this pad of paper here, it is called the Atlantic Collection. And I think this would make a perfect summertime mini album. So, and it's all cardstock. This is like coral wreath. Oh, look at that turtle, he's so pretty. It looks like there's 4 of each. That's cute. Oh, and then we have the octopus. You could fussy cut him out. This one's really pretty. For background paper. Same here. And that one is very pretty. This is the paisley paper. Oh, I like that one. And the pineapple. Oh, look at that basket weave. Pretty flowers. That's cute. Pretty. That's cute. I like that. Oh, and aren't they cute? More fish. Pretty. And pretty. So that's that whole pad of paper. And you can see across here and down the sides is also what's in this paper pad. Alright. Then I got this one. I got this one because I got the same, what is this? This one's called the Floral Shop. And I have the Floral Shop 12 by 12. So that's why I picked up this one. So now I have the 4.5 by 6.5 to go with my 12 by 12. So, and I don't normally buy the small ones, but you can't beat $4. This one was $4. There's how pretty that one is. And then I got this one also, the petals, pretty petals, and that was $4. And I got these keys. These keys were 75 cents a piece. And then I got this horn, or not horn, claw, for 75 cents. And I think those little pieces will be great to hang off the spine of a mini album. Then I got this one. It says, turn on the twinkle. And it is primarily Christmas, but there are some paper in here that is not Christmas that you can use right now. I'm not gonna lie, I am not too fond of this one right here, but we'll make something out of it. See, some of these are perfect for other albums. Look how pretty that one is. I'm not fond of this one. And it's not like I don't like polka dots. It's just, they're just kind of, well, maybe I don't like polka dots. I don't know. That's pretty. Squirrels, owls. Could fussy cut all of those out. Alright, that's that paper pad. And that paper pad was $5. Regularly $19.99. And then this one is also $5. It's called Josephine's Miscellany. Interesting. It has 20 sheets, or 20 designs, and it's 3 each. Alright. Look at this page. This is so nice. I love it. I love this too. Very pretty. Ooh, this is really textured. Almost feels like vinyl. That one's kind of weird. There is that one. Okay, and I got this in anticipation of my daughter giving me grandbabies. So we'll see. We'll see if that works out. Let's see. I have... Here we go. I'm going to try with this. I'm not messing up the paper. And of course, that works like butter. Okay. This one is called Petite Bibi. I think it's so pretty. It was $3.75 for a 12 by 12 pad with 80 sheets, 20 designs. Oh, isn't that cute? Get the baby stuff. There are some really cute papers in here. With a little giraffe. I like this, it's really cute. I love that. Little zebras. Very cute. That's that pad. And then the last pad is by Hottie Flop. And it's called Magnolia Jane. It was also $3.75. You cannot beat those prices. for 12 by 12 paper. This is 12 by 12 and it comes with 36 sheets. That's pretty. Okay. These are all mixed up, so it doesn't say, let's see, what does it say? So it's just 36 sheets and no duplicates, it looks like. Oh, that's gorgeous. I love this. Gorgeous. Like that. Oh, this is the duplicate. Okay. That's pretty. Wonderful. So that is the Hobby Lobby haul. So let me get the Saver stuff. Okay, I got this bag for $3.99 plus 20% off. Let's just cut this open. See what we could see. They're like grab bags, even though they're not grab bags. I always get this stuff in the sewing section. Oh, that's pretty. It's fabric. Oh, look, and it stretches. Oh, how nice. That's actually really good. Okay, and then this stretches also. I don't know what it's called. I saw these. These are button covers. Interesting. You know me, I love ribbon. This is like a royal blue. And this is ribbon for like making bows on gifts. That's what this ribbon is like. Okay. Then this is floss thread, and I have so much of this. So this is a pretty ribbon. It's got little duckies on it. This looks like, oh, it's got a pin holding it down. This is also stretchy, so it's identical to this except for it's green. Okay. Oh, look, a shoehorn. Yeah, they know that did not belong in this bag. So some bias tape, more elastic, and this is seam binding. And then this is seam binding, black and red. This is velvet, very pretty velvet, chocolate brown. And then these, I'm pretty sure, yep. So this is for like tying stuff up, also for gift wrapping. And this is metal. It's not rhinestones, it's just metal, and it looks corrugated. That's interesting. There is a chipboard piece, a couple of shoestrings, and what is this? This, I think, is bias. Yeah. And then we have this green piece, and then this white piece. So that was all in this bag for $3.99. Let's go ahead and throw it back in. There was a lot of stuff in this bag. Okay. Alright, that's that bag. Oh, wait a minute. These two, I don't even know how they got all this in here. Okay. There. This bag was not marked, so they charged me $1.99 for it. And I believe it's just primarily bias tape and rickrack. And they're all brand new. So this one is hem tape. This one is seam binding. Seam binding. This is seam binding. Whoop. This is seam binding. Bias tape. Seam binding. Seam binding. Seam binding. Bias tape. Seam binding. So $1.99 for all of these. And these cost 94 cents a piece when they were in the store. Well, this was 45 cents. So I think I got a great deal on those. Then I got a bigger bag, and I can see rickrack in this one. This one was $2.99. Look how much stuff is in here. So this is leather cording. Nice. Then rickrack. 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 That looks like seam binding. Seam binding. Millions trimmings. Well, it's shaped like rickrack, so we'll put that on the rickrack side. Bias tape. Small rickrack. More rickrack. This is 2 different rickracks. Or some more. This is, I bet this is bias tape. This one is mixed. Rickrack. Seam binding. Seam binding. Rickrack. Hem facing and seam binding. That was well worth the $2.99 along with these here. This was a great haul for me, guys. I'm always trying to find this stuff, so I'm really happy that I got it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I'll be glad to get back to you. Have a great one. Bye.